Hey guys, today we're going to look at how we set up the new chat feature that we've got in our platform. So right now I'm in the back office where we enable features and disable features. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable it and start from scratch, chat support and chat user. Okay, so those are there's two different types of chat. So we've got support chat, which you can set up a support thing for your business. For example, if you are like a car dealership, you want to set up service appointments, sales, that kind of stuff. You can set up chat support, things that your customers can actually communicate with your business in different areas. And then the chat user is for user-to-user chat between people that have actually downloaded the app. Okay, so I've set up both. I'll show you now what needs to be done next. Okay, so I'm now logged into the app. This is a brand new app, a blank app essentially, so I'm going to show you from scratch. Click on the campaigns. At the bottom, you'll see chat support. Okay, we don't go there first. First thing we do is we go to the employee schedule. Okay, so once you click on the employee schedule, you need to set up positions. So I'm going to start by adding a position. I will call it, let's call it manager. I'll choose the color. What color can I choose here? I'll choose the color green. Okay, and then over here you say chat support. So this means this position is now going to be enabled to have chat support. Okay, so I'm going to set up a couple positions. So I've got the manager done, one. Let's add another one. Let's do the assistant manager, and they can be the color, what should we say, orange. Okay, again, I'll enable it for chat support. So come back over here. So we've got two. Let's set one more up. Okay, we'll set up the position of, let's say, supervisor. And that guy can be, or girl can be blue. Enable chat support. So now if we go to our positions, we've got three positions. We've got assistant manager, manager, and supervisor. Okay. Now what we need to do is set up employees. This is to set up the chat feature for the admin chats. Okay, not the user-to-user chat, obviously. So you're setting up the admin chat here. You click on the employee. You find someone that's in your member list. We've only got one customer in this thing because it's not a live app. You take that customer, you assign it, and that customer. You take that person and assign a position to that person. So I'm going to make this one the supervisor. You have to fill in an hourly rate here and hit submit. You have to go to employees. You'll see there's Ali at the position of supervisor. Let's add another employee. So I'm going to have to add this one manually. So there's no one in the list. I can add one manually right here. Just let's say John Doe. Okay, John at gmail.com. 1, 2, 3. What else do we need? That's it, I think. Hit active. And there you go. There's my customer. Back over to the schedule. My customer, my user. Adding an employee. And, sorry. Adding an employee. Add button here. Select. There's John. Position. John can be the manager. He can also be. All right, so now we've got two employees and three positions. Okay, we've got one manager and one supervisor. Okay, so now what this means is you can actually have John or whoever, all of your staff on one. I'm going to set up another employee right now. Give me a second. I'll show you what I mean by that. So let's add another one. Let's say Jane Doe, Jane, gmail.com, 1, 2, 3. And active and submit. Now coming back to the employee schedule, so let's add the employee. We'll see that only Jane shows up because the other employees are already on position. I'll make Jane also a manager because you can see that more than one person can be a manager. 21. Jane should earn the same as everybody else. Okay, so now if we go to the employee list, we've got two managers and one supervisor. Okay, so what this enables you to do is set up your chat support right here. So we can now log in as either John Doe or Jane Doe or the supervisor. So the supervisor for some reason is not showing because position the employee. Oh, the supervisor. What position is this? Supervisor. That's correct. Okay, perfect. I don't have a name for the supervisor. I will have to edit the name. That's why it's only an email, and that John Doe and Jane Doe. So let me put a name here, and the list, Ali, after that, add the last name, save it. Now if I come back over to the chat support, and I can see there's my name. So, okay, so log in as supervisor or the managers. So let's see if I log in as the supervisor now, I'm able to see the dashboard and any chats that come in for the supervisor. So anyone that goes through the app and wants to chat with supervisor, it's going to show up here. We logged in as that, okay? Similarly, I can log in as John Doe or Jane Doe. These are both managers. The idea here is that if you've got a busy place of business, you can set up more than one staff member to handle these types of chat requests. So if you've got two managers there on the floor or in the business, if one's busy, for example, in a chat comes in for a manager. If John's busy, Jane can handle it, and you can see the chat history right here when Jane handles it. Whoever takes on, if I'm a user of the app and I wanted to have a conversation or a chat message with the manager, I start typing. Whoever answers the message first, the chat now goes into that person's history. So if John answers, let's say I'm saying, what time you guys open, and John answers first, then the chat history will be between John and that customer. If Jane answers first, it will be between Jane and that customer. So that's what you can do. You can have multiple people assigned to one category or one position. I'm just showing you two here, but you can have 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, whatever, how many ever employees you have. So that's how the chat support works on the back office. Everything's embedded in our site, and it's functioning. It works, and that's it. So the user is fairly simple. You pop up the app, you find someone in the app, you connect with them, you send a connection request, they have to approve you, and then those users are able to communicate between each other. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.